Hello, cruisers. This is Rick Way, the Texas Cruiser. This is the latest cruise news. Regal Princess, we've had some problems with her down the port of Galveston recently. She still needs to have some work done. She's undergoing some preventative maintenance while she's hanging out in some of the ports. She has altered some itineraries. Roatan is she's going to go to Roatan and wind up spending a few extra days, overnight stays in Roatan, and she's cutting out the stop at Costa Maya. I think it's a kind of a good thing. It gives the passengers an option. She is giving a future cruise credit for those who do stay on with the cruise. It's 20% of what they paid for the cruise. They'll get it as a future cruise credit. The ones who do not choose to do that, they're getting a full refund for the anything that's the cruise ship was involved in, like the itineraries. They'll get a full refund for that, and if they use the cruise line to arrange the airfare, they'll get a full refund for that. So it kind of works out for everybody involved. Myself, I probably would have stayed on board and spend an extra day in Roatan. Even though I usually don't get off at Roatan when I go there, but I like the options and all that. So there's a nice little overnight stay in Roatan. I did that once for Cozumel due to a hurricane. So anyway, the Regal Princess, I think they're treating their passengers right on that. So anyway, the next cruise news is kind of interesting. Carnival and Holland America is kind of getting together on their private islands, and they're calling it. They changed the name of it to Relax Away Half Moon Cay over in the Bahamas. They're kind of doing an enhancement, excuse me, of their port facilities there in the Bahamas and their private islands. So it's a good news for them. They're doing both of them doing some upgrades to their facilities, and so it's interesting they're changing the name to what they Relax Away Half Moon Cay. It's a nice new play on words and all that, but they are both being involved in their like Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines, and others on developing their private islands. So anyway, it's good that they do that. Everybody's involved with the private destinations. Royal Caribbean's going crazy with their private destinations. Cozumel's going to have a private beach. Of course, everybody knows about the Perfect Day Coca Cay. Then they're going to be building a Perfect Day Mexico there at Costa Maya. So it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of places for people to go to. Port of Galveston, they have hit a milestone recently. 1.5 million cruise passengers. A nice family. Excuse me. They were boarding the Disney Magic, and they found out they were the 1.5 millionth passenger to hit the board a ship in Galveston this year. And they got all kinds of nice little family. They're from Louisiana. I can't remember where in Louisiana, but they boarded a ship, and they got a nice little baskets and some nice little gifts and so forth. And so it's Galveston. I think they're at 380 plus cruises this year. In 2025, they're going to go over 400 cruises next year. I think they're saying 1.5 million. I think they'll be closer to 2 million passengers next year. They're saying 1.75, but I think it's going to be even better than that. With these big ships that come, these mega ships that come to Galveston, and I tell you, folks, there's some other things coming. And listen to my cruise news reports. I will be talking about that, what's coming. I'm telling you, an Icon class ship's going to come in 2026, 2027 in that area. Symphony is coming in April 2026, and replacing the Allure, which is replacing Harmony in 2026. So it's I tell you, folks, just stand by. They've got more news coming. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. Keep tuned to my channel. Hit the like and subscribe. I'll have some more reports coming very, very soon. And you have a great week and book some more cruises. And I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.